Hi, good morning guys.
Morning.
Today we're here with Andrew and we're going to be rebuilding the stock recovery point on the JIMNY.
So in order to access the recovery point properly, we have to remove the bumper and see what we're working with.
Alright guys, so we just removed the bumper. You can see the condition of the stock recovery point here. You can see how it's bending. If you want to know how this happened, check out the YouTube short or you can check out the reel on Instagram. Basically, I was pulling a Hilux and this bend. Alright, and for comparison, this is how the stock one is, the square, and that is how that one bend.
So you all see what's going on here. So we're going to cut out the stock recovery points, which are the welded on the chassis. And before we build anything, we're gonna fix the chassis as well. We're gonna straighten up this, and then we'll start a build from there. So we got the stock recovery point, and now it's time to repair the chassis.
This is a common problem on the JIMNYs. The stock recovery points were not meant for any serious recovery, so they need to be strengthened if you plan to do any serious off-roading or put your JIMNY in any recovery situation. A few people with JIMNYs have also bent their recovery points. If you've been looking at the channel for a while, you would know of Voshis and Ahmed. Both of them have JB43 JIMNYs and they broke their stock recovery points and had to make aftermarket ones similar to this. So if you know you'll be putting your JIMNY in a situation where you need to be recovered or doing recovery, I would highly recommend that you hit up Andrew on Instagram and get yourself some stronger recovery points.
So as you can see, we straighten up the chassis and we drill the holes for the bolt, and I made the dowels for inside the chassis. We already have one inside there already, and this is the next one to push in, and we will put in the bolts with the plate we make and bolt them on. This is it here bolt up, the plate and the dowels inside. and the hard bolts. And for the more extreme people who does yank and pull, you could always put a rib, weld a rib underneath it now for the length. So it'll be strong. But this will be strong for what Zaff going to do.
So this is the finished product here. You can see we have the shackle mounted. The reason we went with this orientation versus the other one, up and down, is because if you're recovering somebody at an angle from you and not directly on, this can actually rotate and it wouldn't put a lot of strain on the recovery point. Alright, so yeah, this is the finished product and that's how it looks. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoy it, like, subscribe, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Peace out.